morning, everyone. Happy Mother's Day again. I feel like a well-seasoned cook until I take a Pillsbury refrigerator biscuit apart. We're gonna make pigs in the blanket. I have Hillshire Farms Little Smokies and crescent rolls. Normally, I used to use, remember when the little biscuits were 25 cents for little ones and we get 4 for $1? I used to cut them in 4 and they worked a lot easier than these. You can't even see the food. I'm still working on getting it out of the canister, so much less cutting it up for the little wieners. I am not going to make you watch me wrap them all. Do you make pigs in the blanket? That's what I was going to ask you. I hope you have a tip on this refrigerator dough, because to me, it's the pits. I don't know if you can see anything. So I'm still working with it. And again, like the Philadelphia cream cheese, I think it makes a difference if you use an Aldi brand or a Walmart brand. Like, where is that biscuit? Oh, there it is. So what I'm going to do is spread it out, and I'm going to cut them in strips and wrap them around little hot dogs. Not exciting, not really a recipe, but they're going with the rest of our smorgasbord, because I have some little guys that will like it, some big guys, Dave loves them, go figure. And this isn't my dish, so but I make them. They go, people love them, and they're going to go on our buffet later. I am tired. You could see it. I yesterday went to see the Michael Jackson movie with Courtney and Braylon and Weston. You guys, it's so good. I grew up with him. It's my childhood. The naysayers who hate Michael Jackson, they don't have a fraction of his talent, his voice, his dance moves. And he had a hard life, even though he had a fortune. He still had a hard life. That father. Ugh. That father. Anyway, I'm digressing. We had lunch at Sage and Cedar in Gloversville, which I hadn't been. Shout out to Sage and Cedar. It's like being at Scallions in Saratoga. It's a little awesome place. So if you haven't been and you live near Gloversville, Sage and Cedar for Gloversville, and then go to Cravings and get your dessert. That is my tip of the day. As an ex-restaurant worker, I know when places are good. I will be back. Using a pizza cutter to cut the strips, and I'll let you know how this works out. Like I said, I used to use the small biscuits and cut them in 4s. So now I'm cutting strips. I have no idea how many strips I'm making. I'm doing it by eye. Hopefully enough for the hot dogs. So I've got, that one's not done. So I cut them in strips, as you can tell. Now I'll wrap them. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm just about done wrapping. So I've got 3 left. I was going to show you one. I mean, you must have made these. I have a strip, and I'm just wrapping it around, and I put her seam side down. And I have a lot of strips left, so I'm going to count how many I made, and I didn't count how many strips. How do you do them? Give me some tips. I'll take your tips. I said I'm a seasoned cook. I don't even know how to open the canister of that thing. So I'm wrapping the little wiener, and I'm going to bake them, I don't know, 375 for like 15-20 minutes, and until the hot dogs are cooked. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2. 32 hot dogs. Now, a couple of them, so this is what I had left from my strips. So I'm going to add some of the extra dough to the ones that I put a small strip on. Then they'll have a little more blanky. This one's kind of skimpy. So, I mean, we're talking making it up as you go. There's no science to it. Do what feels right. I cook with my heart. So if it looks like somebody's getting skimped on, he's getting a better blanket. Does that make sense? Tell me in the comments if you guys make piggies in the blanket. My mom was a big fan on New Year's Eve of making these. My kids grew up, that was like one of the party foods. We always served it with spicy mustard. I'm not going to waste any of these strips. I'm going to double wrap the guys that didn't have much blanket on. And that's really the whole entire pig in a blanket saga. You take a little tiny cocktail Frank, and when we were poor, we actually used regular hot dogs and cut them up. It's just, you use what you have. Don't go buy special ingredients if you can. It is pouring here. It is Mother's Day. And I'm just a cooking machine today. And I have a very busy week, so all of our leftovers will be helpful during the week. I'll have, who else looks like he needs some? This guy's really skimpy. couple strips left. We have a busy week with doctor appointments, Little League games, car appointments. Yeah, it's on. I went from doing nothing but laying in, look at that little tiny skimpy blanket, laying in my lift chair to thrown to the wolves. Okay, so there's 32 pigs in the blanket that are going to go in the oven with my smorgasbord later. 2 more things are coming.